Hi everyone, back again with Janae. Hi everyone. So we're going to go over my written exam for Module 2, Chapter 2, Sets and Whole Number Theory, and Chapter 3, Numerations and Computations. Let's go. Starting with number 1. So what we're doing is we're making a Venn diagram and a box for those others that are not tier, not in the group with the A, B, and C. So we have the groups that are in U, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. We have the group A, which is B, C, D, G, and H. Then in group B, we have D, F, and H, and we also have in group C, D, G, and H. So in this problem, you will start off with a Venn diagram. Okay, and so second, you will put your box around the 3-loop Venn diagram for the other elements that you do not have a home for. Now that you have all that drawn out, you will start to label your elements in their homes. So the lowercase is the only one in the group that has a capital U, which is in the group the capital U. So that letter goes inside of the box, but outside of the Venn diagram. So instead of me reading all of this, I'm just going to explain. So we have in our little U, we have the little A, okay? So I'm going to use my little pointer here to, locate and put it on here. So in our capital U, our little group here, we have the little lowercase a. So do we see a lowercase a in any of the other groups? No. So that means it's going to be in our outside home area. So we have our little a right here. B. Do we see B's anywhere? We see B and U and A. So not only is it going to be on the outside, but it's also going to be in the inside of A. So A is included in the home on the outside of the circle and the inside of the circle. C. We see C under the capital U and the capital A. So that means C is going to go also in A, but also in U. So it's going to be only in this part of the circle. Next, we have D. So D is in all of the homes. We have it in D. We have D in the capital U, A, B, and C. So here's D here, here, and here. So he's going to live in this big home right here in the middle here. So we're going to put D here to live here. Next, we have E. Is E in any other one of these? Nope. So we're going to have E right here in the outside in the little home. Next, we're going to have F. So F is in capital U and capital B. So we have our F right here in the B home. So it's in the outside and the inside. Next, we have G. So G is in capital U, A, and C. All right. So G is going to go in this little part of home right here. Right here. Next, we have H. So H is in every single group home. Well, not going to say group, but it has home in each one of these spots. So we're going to put H also with the D right here in the middle home right there. Next, we have our little problems here. So we'll have to use this Venn diagram to find out what is conjoined together. So we have B, capital U. I'm going to say conjoined for that capital U. As a Greek letter, I guess it is a Greek letter. But B, conjoined with C. So in those, we're only going to use this right here and this, and like all of this, shade this together. So in those two groups, we have F, D, H, and G. Next, we have A, but it's also kind of conjoined with B. So that's going to be this right here. And this right here. Because it's conjoined right in here. So it's going to be in the middle. And we have D and H are the only ones in the middle. Next we have B, not really conjoined with C. So I'm just going to be looking here in the middle here. Between B and C. Right there. And what else does it have? G, D, and H. Next we have our A, which has F, A. So that's everything on the outside of the A circle, which is F, A, and E. Next, we have A conjoined with C, which gives us B, C, D, H, and G. A will not really conjoin with C, gives us D, H, and G. And then A conjoined with B, but not all the way with C. B, C, G, D, and H. Let's go to our next question here. So here I explained the elements. And here we have another one. Woo! Okay. So we have S for small circles, L for large circle. Large, big R for red, and B for blue, C for circular, H for hexagonal, T for triangle. So we have L conjoined with H, so that we know that that is a large hexagon. B, we have C not conjoined with H, which is circular or hexagonal. We have T, which is triangle, and R with the line on top of that. What does that mean? So that means it's not red. So that means that triangles are not red. So I don't want those triangles that are not red. Next, we have D. So we have C, not conjoined with S, not conjoined with R. So that means small red circles. Here I have that explanation for what I just said. Also here to explain those what I just explained up there again. Next, we have a key. Okay. So we're going to start with these little things here. And I made a little key here. So the line is 1, the little hump, parabola is a 10, the little cute explanation point without the point is 100. The little, like a little flower, like a water hose is 1,000, and then on to 10,000, 100,000, and 1 million. So for this key, I use this. So with this key, I see that there are 3 10,000s, 5 10,000. I mean, I'm sorry, 3 10,000, 5 tens, and then 4 ones. Adding that all together gives you 3,054. Next, I use this key. So above is the key that I use for this quest. With the key that I made, M equals 100, C equals 1,000, C, let me go back. So the 1 equals 1, the V equals 5, the X equals 10, my fancy L equals 50, my C equals 100, and then my circle equals 500, and then my M is 1,000. So as you can see for that question, we have the M equaling 1,000. We have the C in the M, which is 900, plus the 3 X's, which is 30, plus 7 equals 1,937. Also with this key, this is really easy because they only have 2 places, values, the 10s and the 1s place. So you have 4 10s and 1 is 41. So it really wasn't that hard. And I gave you my little key here that triangles is 1, the upside down triangles, and then like the boomerang, it's 10. So 41 times 1 equals 41. All right. Next, we have this little key here. Okay. As you can see, my little key, we have the little oval, which is 0, dot 1, 2 dots, 2, 3 dots, 3, 4 dots, 4, 5, and on so forth all the way to 20. So with this key above, you can see with the equation, the one line is 5, the line with the dot is 6, 3, and then 17. So I think it's main numerals work is as they are their own place value respectively from top to bottom. So you will go to 7,200, 360, 220, and then 1. So you have 5 times 7,200 equals 36,000. 6 times 360 equals 21,160. 3 times 20 is 60. And then 17 times 1 is 17. So you would just add all those together and get up to a total of 38,237. And that is going to be ending my final exam or my written exam for Module 2, Chapter 2, Sets and Whole Numbers Theory, and Chapter 3, Enumerations and Computations. I thank you for watching my written exam, and have a great day. Thank you.